Ready?
Hello friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Daniel is here on Tips to Fix, and in this video tutorial today,
Habibi, what did you do to my video? Here, on this circle here, supposed to be my face. Android apps. Here I am, this is the original content. It's on my channel. But look at this. This guy here, Habibi Tricks. You can't take my video and upload on your channel pretending to be your content. Doesn't make any sense, brother. Hello friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Daniel is here on Tips to Fix. And today I'm going to show you how to deal with Content Bandito. If somebody took your video, they downloaded it from YouTube, and then they re-upload your video on their own channel pretending to be their own content, I'm here today to show you how to deal with this, how to remove it, how to do appeal to Google, how to send a strike. So now I'm going to show you another video that somebody else downloaded from my channel and used my video with different things, with music. If you see this how to fix black screen of MacBook Pro, this is me guys, but it's not in my channel. Here is the video. Let me show you something, a small clip.
Green problem on MacBook. Okay folks, I have this.
This is the original video. Here it is. It's me here. And it's with my voice and everything.
Let's try another method.
Yeah. And you get 32,000 views from my content. Is this fair, guys? So what you have to do, you have to go to your YouTube studio, and then here on the left you will see copyright. Here it is. In this channel copyright, you will see all the videos that somebody else re-uploaded on YouTube, and YouTube algorithm catch that video. It shows you that your video contains the same content on another channel and is 100% of their video is like yours. Okay, it's yours. First of all, I'm going to request a remove for this video, and then click here, request a removable. Now you will see this request video removable form. And what you are going to do here, so videos that are requested for removal is this one, and this is my content. Now you have to click here, copyright owner. If it's you, just type myself, or it's a company, just choose here company or organization or client. Copyright owner name, it's me, my phone number, relationship to the content. I am the creator of the content. Country, your address here. You will see here removal options. On the removal options, you have two methods. Now you have removal timing for targeting videos. Let's say it's scheduled for 7 days. I will send a notice for 7 days. Once the request is validated, YouTube will give the uploader 7 days to remove the video and avoid the copyright strike. If they don't remove your video, then video will be removed automatically after 7 days. But the other option is you have the standard request removal. The standard request removal can lead to a copyright strike. So if I click this now, YouTube will send a strike to this person. I'm going to give you another chance, my friend. I will schedule sending 7 days notice for you, and go ahead and delete the video. If you want to be a real YouTuber, you have to serve. You have to do a video tutorial that it's you on the video, or it's created by you. Find your niche, help someone, do the video tutorials to help others, not to steal others and trying to cheat YouTube algorithm or trying to cheat other people, pretending be you. Not fair. So I'm not going to send you a strike right now, and remove the video before you get a strike from YouTube. So, okay. Prevent copies. This is my video, so I will prevent you uploading other videos from my channel. I will choose all of these three because it's me, I know. I will put my signature, and now we'll submit. And go here on removal request, and then you will see that I request to this guy and it's on progress. But now what about this video? I didn't see this video on the list here on the channel copyright. You know why? Because this guy put some music.
This MacBook Pro.
He cut my video, some parts, and he put AI voice.
Okay, it stops.
He put some music on it, if you see carefully.
It's the shift button, the control button.
Now he is using my video to do his own video. Look at this comment. I need encouragement and motivation to give more tech videos. Okay, you really think that you will grow up in this way? It doesn't work like this. If you really need to grow up your channel, do your own content. Put your face on the camera, use your voice here, create your own videos. screen record your video. If you don't know how to screen record, watch the other video tutorial that I have here. You can cheat on YouTube algorithm. It's super smart, my friend, okay? Maybe the question is how I found this video. One of my subscribers wrote me a comment. Here, there is another channel, goes under name Netcafe, took your video and uploaded with music background and it's already 40,000 visitors. Even if you do not delete this video, what I'm going to do, I will request YouTube to delete this video, okay? Let's go ahead. Let's go on here on copyright. And now, even if you don't see this video here, and then what you're going to do, you will see here new removal request. Okay, the option is here. Click this button, new. So here on this area here, paste the link of infringing videos. Type your content, my video, internet video, I'll call it like this. Now source of my content from my YouTube channel. And now my video content. Now go ahead here and copy the link of your own video. In my case is this video here. And we'll bring here. And now, yes, choose here entire video because it's all the video from beginning to end. Entire video, okay? Now add to the list. Now, copyright owner, relationship to the copyright content. I'm the creator of the video. Now you have to choose one of these options. To be sincere with you, I like to click this button here, standard request removal directly. Then get the strike. I'm going to give him a chance to remove. He will get strike if he don't delete the video, okay? Prevent copies for these videos from appearing on YouTube going forward. Then I will click all these three buttons and this is me. Now I'm going to click this submit, okay? Okay guys, let me explain you a little bit what copyright is, okay? So the first rule of copyright published from YouTube is this one here. Creators should only upload videos that they have made or they have authorized to use. That means that they should not upload videos they didn't make, okay? Or use content in their videos that someone else owned it, such as music tracks, snips of copyrighted programs or videos made by other users without necessary authorizations. So now guys, if you did that mistake that you upload somebody else's content and you have strikes or warning on your channel, here it is, the other video tutorial that I did for this topic, how to remove your copyright strike from your channel. Even if you delete the content, you have ability now to take training on YouTube and make it able to remove the warning strike from your channel. Here it is, the video tutorial that I did, how to access training to remove warning on YouTube video, even with deleted videos, okay? So thank you for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.